Hey guys, welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews. So today we are doing a follow-up review. It's been many months since we did our first review and we've been testing out this robot cleaner. The link is in the video description if you're interested. So, updated score months and months after. This thing gets a 10 out of 10 all day long. And every single time, every day, I don't know where or how it finds stuff, but this thing finds dust, dirt, dog hair, and everything. Every single day we run it, it fills up the tray. Now, if you guys are grossed out by dirt and dust and stuff, then please look away. Let's see. But I'm going to show you guys how much it gets every single day. Alright, we have it upside down. So let me set the camera here. Keep in mind, this is every single day we get this much. Every day it fills up that much. I do not understand how. I do not understand where it gets everything from, but it fills up every day of that much. This thing gets a 10 out of 10 all day long. And the great thing about this, we press this auto button right here, and it will automatically clean, and it will come back to its house charging spot when it needs charged. But of course, we need to bring it back by pressing the home button here. So now it will come back. Since we don't have, the tank in it, we don't want it cleaning yet. But yeah, 10 out of 10 all day long. Links in the video description if you're interested. It's well worth the money. I mean, well worth it.